for sure is not supposed to be a new one. All members, that's very important. So welcome to the Alpes community training to understanding step one, like VIP customer. Okay, so here you are. You have your matrix 2 by 20, step one. So you got your downline there, okay, your 20 level deep. So there you have two people in your first line, you know, and for the second
level.
Okay, level. And I just put it there to more understand where are they, all your people. So you are there. You are on the top of your matrix 2 by 20. You are the first one there. So for sure, you are in a team. Somebody tell you about that. So you are in his team, but you have all your team. So you are on the top of your team. So you're going to get out of your pocket $120. Okay. So it's the first step. And like you see downstairs, it says step one, VIP customer. Everybody who's get out 120 start to be a VIP customer. So we're going to explain you what's happened with all that thing. So the $20 there, the $20 is going to the matrix 2 by 20 online store section. Okay, and it goes like that. The $20 is divided by 2. Either $10 is returned over 20 level up, either 50 cents by level. So 50 cents times 20 says $10. That's the first $10 there. And the others, $10, is divided into 5 generations of your referral as follow. We already always say that. Okay, the first generation is 50% of the pay. And don't forget, the store section, we get paid once a month. See, it's a mensual, you know, it's a mensual, it's a every month. Okay, once a month.
Monthly.
It's not paid directly, you know, every day and every second. Okay, so this is very important.
It's paid monthly.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Thank you, Donald. When I try to find my word. Same situation for the step 3, 4, and 5. Okay, with the 30, the 40, and the $50. You see, you remember we got the 330, so that 30 and the 40 and the 50 all point are going on the 2 by 20 matrix by pay immediately is the same as the $20 there. Okay, they divide into and everything is the same. Okay, so that's what happened with the points of Alps. All right. So now you are there, okay, and you talk to your friend Peter. Okay, so Peter is in your first level there. Okay, you're talking to him and it's your first one. Okay, but you have a good team up of you, and you have spillover. That's going like that. Okay, is the second one take place there and everything. You have spillover, and you decide to talk to Simon, but Simon cannot be in your first level. Why? Because you got spillover, so he's in your third level. Okay, so that's what happened when you talk with people. But now it's time to talk about the 100. What's happened? So you have 3 possibilities, scenarios, like Donna just tell you. We have 3 steps. We are three specific, you know,
3
the
categories.
First, okay, yeah, the $100 is divided in 2 equal parts and is shared over 3 possibilities scenario, and we just show right now. The first one, it's a customer. like Donnie said, is participate only for the shopping part. And when you are a customer, you open 20, you can have only 10 level down your downline. You cannot have 20 levels. The customer has only 10 levels. The possibility to have 2,046 people buying, okay, in the shopping center, and you receive the points too. Okay, only 10 levels. Must pay $20 a month and $9 for the back office every month. But we talked with Darrell, and the first month, the $29 going back to the community. The first month only. The $29 going back, okay, in the community. That is very fantastic, okay? For the customer, is going to receive anyway, okay, because we return 100%. Okay, that's the very good thing about the Alps. And he only receive only the out points, like I tell, like the 20, the 30, the 40, and the 50 for coming from the step 3, 4, and 5, okay, and the step 1. But the 50% which goes back on the 20 level, that like we know, and additional to the purchase in the store. So like when everybody on the is 10 level, the 2,046 people, when they buy something, they will get something. Okay, that's the only thing that the customer can receive in the Alps. This is the first one. The second one, it's a VIP customer. The VIP customer, like everybody are in, okay, because you decide to get out 120 from your pocket first time, one time, okay? But the VIP customer, no sponsorship, okay? He don't sponsor anybody. So the following month, after his first month, he must pay $20 per month and the $9 for the back office, okay? I don't put the $9 in the 20 because the $9 is for the Alps, for the company. And the $20, it's coming back, okay, in the community. And the VIP customer will receive $50 in online store credit for the 2 people who reach their first level of the overflow matrix. Because a VIP customer, he don't sponsor anybody. So he's going to receive spillover. That's for sure. Okay, because he don't do any sponsorship. So some people are going to be there for spillover and they will build, and it's build their team. Okay, so that's very important. And the other $50 from the $100 go back to the sponsor who create the overflow. Okay, that is very interesting now. So you're going to do the work, you talk to the people and everything. So, but you only can have 2 people in your first level. So when you talk to a third person, a 3, a 4, but you will get paid for that. Before we never get paid for that, but now with the everything is going to be they make the change they made, you get $50 to do the work. Very interesting. And now finally, the last scenarios, you can be an ambassador. An ambassador must pay, get out 120 one time, but sponsor one person and more, like Donnie said earlier. Okay? So everybody here in that room tonight, today, we are all ambassador, because most of that people, most of the 230 people here have already sponsored one, and for sure they already have their two now. So it's very important. And now I will take something here to help you understand everything that I just tell. Okay. You have
Listen,
all the people there. Okay.
Mario, just
What?
t'as besoin d'un break, là, prends un petit break. I just want to emphasize one thing. One thing, maybe once you reach, once you join as a VIP, no sponsoring, you get to be paid on cash back 2 more levels. So in other words, there's 8,000 people there that you're going to collect spillover. Let me add one thing before we forget, or Mario forget. You know, before we used to pay 120, 30, 40, and 440 and 550 for the coins or token. But now that money, like Mario was saying, goes back into the matrix, into the cashback. 50% goes to the 2 by 20, and the other 50% on the uni level. But just take, for example, everybody that comes in at 550. That's $50. Half the $50, $25 goes into the 2 by 20. So in other words, there's $1.25 that goes in that you will receive from everybody in your downline that upgrades to 550. You get $1.25. You can have thousands and thousands of people. Okay, even the people that are customers only, just customers, will get that money. Okay, everybody gets the money. So imagine if you had 1,000 people, and it will have. There's 400 people coming every day. I got close to 2,000 in my downline already, and only been a week. Imagine if all those people upgrade to the fifth level. I'll be getting about $3.50 or $4 per person per month. Okay, that's everybody can get that. Even though you're a VIP or ambassador, you're a customer, you can get $3.50 to $4 per person per month. So just to emphasize this is a lot better than having those people doing nothing and getting $600 or $480 before. Because the reason I wanted to mention before that, and I didn't mention it, is the reason they made that amendment or made that improvement, because they want longevity for this company. Because what would have happened 2 or 3 years down the road, I mean, people like come in and say, I don't have to do nothing. I can collect $500 or $480 and do nothing. The company would have shut down in 2 or 3 years. That's a guarantee. That's what they realize, okay? But I'm happy for the people because 99% of the feedback we got, and they came back and they say, we love it. We love the new stuff because it rewards the people that wants to work. Okay. Plus, customers will get a ton of money. Go ahead, Mario.
Okay. And step 2, 3, 4, and 5, we're going to have another training for that because now there's a lot of information from now. Okay. So thank you very much.